bath?
Yeah, and I can wash
The home.
I can wash. Or put it together.
I can do the whole room.
Those are the cats. They're so cute. I like the puppy.
You all done?
Yeah.
Now let me brush my teeth.
I'm taking a bath.
Okay, you take a bath and let me see the fridge. Okay, let's all eat pizza. Oh, let me make some tacos. What can we put in the tacos?
Tomato.
Tomato and tacos. Okay, I can eat tacos. Okay. Somebody will eat pizzas. And bread and tomato.
Bread and tomato. Bread and blueberry. I'll eat bread and blueberry.
No. If you eat just blueberry, okay?
No, I'll just eat bread.
Okay. And what will kids will eat? We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Large.
4, okay, 5. And what will I eat? I will just eat chocolates. All done. Let me go and wake up the kids.
I'll take a...
Now let me go and wake up the kids. You sit, okay? Kids.
We buy you some dog and cat.
What dog and cat? Wow. Can I go and sleep with that? Yeah.
The dogs are for boys.
Okay. You must go and sit inside. I feel so sleepy. Yeah. You don't have to go to your aunt and uncle's house.
Me.
What? No.
What aunt and uncle's house?
Yeah, your new aunties and uncles.
Where they come from?
What they come from? Italian.
What? They look like me.
No, not the others one. The others one.
There's me.
No, the little kids. They're 2 girls. And one more. And he's yours.
Boys.
Okay. You girls will eat pizza. You can eat tacos. You can eat tacos. You can eat noodles. Me, I will just eat this rotten chocolate. Now let's go. Let me get them some chocolates. Okay, let me throw this.
Look guys, some Nutella.
Okay, where's the freezer lighter? Okay, we will give the kids this. There are 3 kids. We can give them some chocolates
And 3 chocolates in.
Which could I wear? I can wear this today.
Looking like a driver airporter.
Now?
Yeah, now what?
Okay, hold my hand back. Let's go.
No, not wear this. Not wear this up one. Not this.
Then which one?
Rainbow one.
Okay, where's the rainbow one? What do you wear? You can wear your this suit.
No.
Yeah, this one.
No. This is getting
Or
out.
this puffy one. Then not wear glasses, okay?
No. Why are you wearing glasses? I'm cool, my joggers.
Okay, where's my rainbow tiara? I cannot find it.
You're wearing it.
I'm not wearing it.
Then wear it.
Black my eyes. Now let's go.
Oh, wait for us. Oh, baby, your new clothes.
Let me throw this.
Your new clothes.
Baby's new clothes?
Yeah, look.
Me and my sissy can wear the same.
You can wear this.
And you can wear this.
No, I do not wear this.
No, wear it.
Don't wear this.
No, rainbow. Please.
Okay, you can wear this.
Wear the same, kids. Kids, wear the same.
Okay.
Yay, I love it. Ew.
Just stopping.
Now let's go. You can hold my cat. Okay, you can hold my cat. Which house they are going?
At the pool because they're poor. This is the pool house. I got it at the school.
Oh, puppies! We know puppies! Oh, puppies! Now let's go home and get the puppies. Why didn't tell before?
Shall we?
Then who will hold puppies? Okay. Another people.
Okay. I said, you know.
You can.
He can.
Okay.
We are going to the house. Just very nowhere.
Why are you here, Mams? I am also coming here.
Let's be cookies.
Mommy. Where's the daddy, kiddo?
He's sleeping.
What this? I am
You're what?
We are your sissies. Thanks to meet you. And you. And your uncle. Who is there? Kids, wake up, sissy. Wake up. What? Kids. Lots of kids. Yay, let's play together. Yay, let's play. A line of kids. One girl is left. Who?
He. Who's getting the cats and dogs?
Okay. Look, this is my puppy. That's right. And this is my puppy. You like it?
What is mine?
We also have our puppies, you know. Yeah, lots of kids. Yeah. This is the boys' puppies, and this is the girls. Lots of kids. Okay. Who is there? Family? Yeah. Oh no, there's lots of kids.
What is he?
Kids, I put my key back.
It's not yours. It's not yours, yeah.
You throw our key down. You don't have any manners?
No.
Kids, yeah, I brought you candies. Where's my candy? Oh, my candy's on the ground. Hello, Kato. Mimi, yeah, you come alive. Can I have that box, okay? Here, let me put it in my room. Okay, what is in here?
A toothbrush.
Okay. What is in here? The lights, okay. See you in the second box.